In this video, I'll be going over my honest review on the LCPA Low Content Profits Academy by Rachel Harrison Sund. To be transparent, I am currently an affiliate for this course, so I would really appreciate it if you are interested to use my affiliate link. However, in case you're a little sketched out by that, you don't have to, of course. And also, if you look at my previous videos, I've been talking about this course long before being an affiliate was even an option. I'll be going over a book I created through the course, my ad spend, my orders, royalties, and additional information. There's also a bonus if you sign up for the course before October 27th, and I'll be going over that as well. So this page here is what you'll actually get to if you click on the affiliate link below, and it just goes over a lot of information on the course. So here's a bunch of information about passive income, low content books, why you might want to do this, more freedom. There's no cap on your earning potential. Obviously, sales are not guaranteed. Be transparent like that. KDP is not easy. You're not just going to create one book in 10 minutes and become a millionaire, unless you're like the 0.00001% that'll do that. If you're unsure where to start, I really think this course is great for you. This course really outlines every single thing you need to do, especially if you're a beginner, to be successful with KDP. If you are advanced or you've been doing this for a while, the course may not have as much new information for you, but there's so much information in here. Like, I honestly still haven't made it through every single video just because there are hours and hours and hours of content, and Rachel does update the course when she needs to. So I definitely haven't been through all of it, but I have been through a lot, and I've learned many different things that I didn't know before. But if you've been doing this for a while, you're already making thousands, then you may not actually get a ton out of the course, and that's okay. It may not be for you, but I still think it could be helpful to everybody. So let me scroll down to what the actual modules have here, so that way you can see what you're actually getting. These are all different reviews. Okay, so module 1 is research. So this goes over how to actually research properly for your low content books. And there's a lot of videos in here. Very, very helpful as well. Module 2 is design. So this goes over how to actually create your book. And this is using free and paid versions. I believe she goes over both. Find out how to customize purchased interior PDF templates. Walk through necessary steps to create an effective cover design. Next is publish, and she goes over every single step on how to actually upload and publish your book to KDP. Optimize, and this is how to make the most out of your listing. You can take advantage of KDP's A+ content, Author Central, everything like that. And then module 5 is promote. So she also goes over how to actually advertise your book, how to promote your book, and just get it out there. And these bonuses are probably my favorites out of all of the entire course, is the over the shoulder series. So you get to actually watch her do all of these steps and create books. So niche research, keyword selection, category selection, descriptive writing. So these are the videos that you get to actually watch her do. So this is creating majority of the content you need for your book, which is just really, really cool. And then if I keep scrolling down, we'll also have design software tutorials, members only Facebook group, which is so helpful. So if you're confused or you just have questions, want to post your win, there's this Facebook group, and everyone is so encouraging. They're so sweet, very nice. We all support each other, and your question gets answered. Like, sometimes you're in groups and you post a question, nobody says anything. Like, your questions in this group actually get answered, is what I found, and that's just really nice. So this course total is $297, but the value you're getting is way more than that. Or you could do 3 monthly payments of $99, but there's also a money back guarantee. So if you're like, I don't really know about this, and you're nervous, if you do all the steps, follow all the things you need to do, you could potentially get your money back guarantee. She outlines all the details here. So if you want to read that, definitely go ahead and do that. And then frequently asked questions. So there's a lot more information on this page that I skipped over because I want to go over my results, my experience. So first, let's start with the book I created solely following Rachel's tips. And this is the only book I've created so far doing every single thing she recommended I do. I've made lots of other books doing a mix of things I've learned from her, things I've learned from other places. But this book, I solely followed what she told me to do. So I created it in February of 2023, it looks like. Let me do a bar chart here. And I actually had my first sale in February as well. So this is one sketchbook. I've sold 37 units since it's been published since February 2023. And let me go to royalties. I made $99.75. And it did take me a little while to create this book. My scrapbook papers usually take me about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Sometimes a little less if I already have my keywords and niche done. But this book took me probably a little bit more, maybe more around 5-ish hours, I would say total. But $100 since I published it in February, I'm happy with that, especially because this is a highly, highly competitive niche. Like, I never thought I would ever be able to sell a book in this niche without running a ton of ads or anything like that. And as you can see here, I've spent I've spent $1.46. I've made $9.14 in sales with an average day cost of 15.97%. So I got one order from ads because I don't really run ads. I'm currently not even running any, but I have this set to lifetime for my sketchbook ad campaign. So I just want to be transparent about that, how one of these orders is from ads. But I'm just super happy that I actually was able to make sales in here. And this one order was in July. So it wasn't even the first order that I got. And this just proved to me that her methods really, really do work. So overall, my experience with her course is it's easy to follow. She explains everything very well. There's lots of ways to actually get help. Her team is very responsive to emails. I've had to reach out multiple times. The Facebook group is amazing. I absolutely love all of the members in there that I've connected with. They're all super nice, friendly. Rachel's in there responding to things as well, it seems like. And it's free to be an affiliate. So if you really love this, you can be an affiliate yourself as well. This course really did help my business quite a bit. And I'll show you if I do this year. I created probably at least 20 or so books after buying this course while using her methods. And I just want to change this to select all. I don't mind showing these books here because they're ones I created when I first started and they are not very good. So please don't get an idea that creating the books that show up there are good ones to sell because they're not. I don't think they ever sold. So I'm just going to hit apply. And I have unpublished quite a few books that I created when I first started because I just was not doing things right. So ignore that part. I don't want you guys getting ideas thinking they're my bestsellers or anything because they're not. So this is my this year income report and orders. So looking at, let's see, we have January, February, you can see that it did start to go up. And then I actually had my highest month so far in August. And this is orders. So I had over 200 orders. Looking at royalties, it was over $500. So creating books using her methods have definitely benefited my business. And I really wish I had more time to create more books. I just don't right now because I think I could be making more money, obviously, if I had more time to create more books. But all of her videos are super easy to follow. And there's just so many resources out there. And you also get right now, if you sign up until the 27th, you get the free self-help and reflection template pack for free. So you can actually get templates from Rachel you can use to edit and modify them, use them in your own books. But overall, I can't really say much more about this course other than it is just very, very helpful. So if you're someone who is struggling to get sales, you don't understand niche research, keyword research, or you just are a newbie to KDP and you want to make sure you're doing it right the first time, then I recommend this course. If you're more advanced and you don't really feel like you need a lot of help, you're already making quite a bit of sales, and you're very knowledgeable, then I'm not sure I would recommend it. If you already know everything that you're doing and you're not going to be making a lot of changes. But I definitely recommend this for a majority of people. And she does go over a bit about trademarks and copyright, and that part was definitely helpful to me as well. But there's just so much more content. Every time I log into my course account, there's just so many videos that I haven't been able to watch yet, but I've already watched hours and hours and hours of her content. So there's definitely plenty in there to learn and to watch. So I hope this was helpful. I would really love it if you are interested in this course to please use my affiliate link I get a commission off of that, but at no cost to you. And again, if you're like sketched out by that, I just want you to be successful. So you can go ahead and look at our course on our website. You can just Google it. You don't have to use my link. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. Just please feel free to comment them below and I'll do my best to answer your questions. But I hope this was helpful. I hope it gives you a better idea about her course and my feelings on it. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.